Welcome to Guidance channel. In the last video we have discussed about gig economy and we learned how gig economy would change the situation in the post-COVID world. The post-COVID world would turn the globe up down. There would be a lot of industry which would vanish and a lot of industry would gain importance, like network marketing, healthcare and technology backed business would be most demanding business in post-COVID world. The gig economy would also pave a way to cryptocurrency. Most of you people would have heard what is cryptocurrency. Most of them would have heard about Bitcoins, a virtual currency invented by Satoshi Nakamoto in 2008, which exists in the form of virtual money, which has a high security due to blockchain technology, and transferability is very easy. In the post-COVID world, the importance of cryptocurrency started gaining due to various reasons and factors. In India, Supreme Court verdict favored cryptocurrency trade and it has lifted its ban. The cryptocurrency has gained its importance in gig economy due to a lot of Upwork which is coming in recent days. It is identified that more than 55 million Upwork is uploaded in US alone. And these Upwork or the task would be completed by anyone in different part of the world. So here comes the question of transferability of money and the value of money. So cryptocurrency solved the issue because cryptocurrency value is common across the world and the transferability is so fast that any person can receive the money on the same day. So cryptocurrency started gaining its importance. There are different types of cryptocurrency. The mother of cryptocurrency is Bitcoin and the rest of the cryptocurrency is called as altcoins, that is alternate coins. All this cryptocurrency has one uniqueness. The value of cryptocurrency is common across the world, and that is the most important thing in the Upwork or in the gig economy, because any person can receive the cryptocurrency with the same value across the world. This is another factor for gaining its importance in the post-COVID world. So thank you for watching Guidance channel. Kindly subscribe and press the bell icon for further notification of new videos.